There'll be machines ahead.
What are you doing? Kavad,
If the boat goes over, it'll drown in these chains.
so he drowns.
Where am I? Where am I? Hey, sir. Sir, can you please take this off me? Hey, I want that back. Sir, you're Uggy. Uggy.
Damn shadow Karja.
Several years in the military, she still believes
That's
in
not
justice.
water.
You
That's
said
with
you put yourself
microplastics.
down in hell?
Disgusting.
If you want
Woo.
Where to? The only place he can go is Don's grasp, and that's where we're taking him.
Dawn's grasp?
I want that.
Is this a prisoner exchange?
keep your voice down. There are machines out here.
Blameless Marad's giving you a chance. Go make it back to Don's grasp alive. You can talk to him about a pardon. So either take your chance
Water.
with us,
Oh, I
or
don't even care if it's not infested with microplastic. Flying chicken! Oh. Ooh, I want to.
Struck by lightning.
I want to. Come on. So,
I think we're clear.
go kiss her. I like this guy. I think we're gonna be best friends. I hope he's like a character that I like get to like play with a lot of the game.
Enemy soldier. What does he want in return? Hey, I asked you a question.
This whole valley's been filling with machines.
Cute.
Son brought us Edom and Shadow to find out why.
You and Marad have lost your minds.
I don't-
You can't blame Marad.
Ugh, his ugliness is preventing me from putting my finger in his eyeball.
What's that tonic doing?
Where's Tallnecks? That's what they're called.
It's heading towards Don's grasp.
It's headed towards us.
I want the Lego one. I gotta help. Oh, delicious. Mmm.
If those machines keep
I
coming,
want
there's
to
nothing gonna
break
be left of Dawn's
free.
grasp when we get there.
Blameless Marad would have sent for reinforcements.
If there were reinforcements coming, we wouldn't have been sent to drag this murdering stain out of prison. How they can offer him a pardon? Watchers,
Need my bow.
not a chance.
Everyone says Reyes is a good shot.
Yeah, and he'll put arrows through both of us.
Why would I kill you?
What?
Just get up front and paddle.
If there are watchers, there's gonna be something worse out there too.
And you better hope we can deal with it.
Did we lose them?
Keep quiet.
Please don't let them see us. Please don't let them see us.
God dang it. I got such
Every dawn someone, if you just don't let them see us.
Save us. It's not like you've never seen a machine before, Kavad. Just keep us to the left, away from them.
We're down here. Sir.
No, no. Paddle, you idiot! Faster!
Are those watchers still following us?
Let's get to the quayside before we find out.
Sun shines upon the worthy. Sun shines upon the worthy. The sun shines upon.
Jump. This would be a perfect jump scare.
What was that? It's a snap maw.
I can fight it with my broken arrow.
There's more of them. Give me my bow. We're not gonna make it.
We have to. I'm not dying for a shadow carja.
Give me your hand. I'll get to you. Just hold on.
Alright, I got you! I got you, buddy! But
Look at me next.
oh, wait, hold up.
Gotta get off this dock.
Sony, if you're watching this, I clearly could have saved him. So as long as I did not get eaten by robot crocodiles, I'm good. Perfect spot for a jump scare, right? Oh, yeah. Joke's on you. I've already played this game before. I've played these games before. American Ninja Warrior.
So, Blameless Marauder got released from prison.
So much.
Find Marauder. See what he wants in return for a part.
So much eating. So much.
If I remember my maps right, I'm on Bright Dawn. Dawn's grasp is on the other side of it. Do I go there or make a break for it?
Wow.
I'm not a criminal. I go to Dawn's grasp and see what Marauder wants.
Ah, climbing is so hard.
Hey! Shadow carja! You can run, but I will find you!
Not if I.
Hey!
So, the other soldier from the boat is alive. She thinks I'm trying to escape. Well, looks like someone's target practice got interrupted. Finally, some good luck. Give me this race.
Cover your arms after a while.
Just hold steady. Just a bit rusty. You can do this, Reyes. Okay. If this valve is filling with machines, at least now I can fight back. Will Marad really offer me a pardon if I get Dawn's grasp? They're not gonna forgive the shadow of Edelman just like that. There must be a catch.
Smiley face. We'll come next time on American Ninja Warrior. Now, you guys want to know what happens if you fall? Well, I'm literally doing this with like one hand because I'm like so skilled. Oh, I fell. Alright, let's try this again. So do not do this one-handed like I have.
Guard post. If I don't reach Dawn's grasp before that soldier, Amos Marad will send every unit in the Sundom after me.
Come on, Reyes.
You gotta toughen up, my guy. No apples. King your arc.
That should help. That's
Remember, kids, do not do what misfires do now. Food.
nice. Another target down. Put that one down.
Alright, no food. Food. Well, I know.
How do I get to Dawn's grasp from here?
Alright, dang it, I lost a stick. Abracadabra. You forget her, Gary. Yay! You're a gizzard, Gary. Now this is more of an abracadabra. You see, everything in this game is playable. I think it's at least made out of wood. Okay. Take this! World's first trillionaire, please. Ah! I forgot to say who that was. It was Elon Musk. I can't believe it. Mr. Beast hit $500 million. Elon Musk hit $1 trillion.
It is beautiful up here. I've been away from the mountains for too long.
Whoa, that looks cool. I wonder if I get to go there in a future episode, which I think I will be doing another episode on Horizon. So yeah, like and subscribe if you guys want to see another future episode, because I cannot. Don't wait.
No one's home.
There's gotta be something here.
This needs a key.
Good luck.
This looks like a refugee camp. Where are they running from?
Water. Dang it! Dang it! No food or water for anybody. Nothing? No, dang it!
That'll keep me going. Watcher. Good thing I found a bow.
Oh, yeah. Hello?
Guess the sun hasn't given up on me yet.
Right. We do not need a bow and arrow. I'll tell you what we need. A giant board. Huh. That's kind of cute, actually. Meow.
Watcher. I have to take this machine down. It's firing! Hit the eye.
Get absolutely cooked. Check.
Now I can hit it where it hurts. Ah, come on! Dawn's grasp should be close. Only one last climb. Watch hands. Might as well take a trophy.
It's okay. You can... I don't think the dances are connected because I'm not a vegan. Oh.
I need that.
So I just had to make sure it was recording. Oh. So much. Wait, is that fire? Well, guys, I think that this is gonna be it for the episode. So yeah, if you guys have enjoyed this, I hope you guys have, because well, why is it on fire? Anyway, so you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys want to see this. Yeah, I'll be posting an episode of this either way. And why?
It's on fire.
Oh wait, dang it.
I better get over there. See if anyone's still alive.
No escape!
Wait, dang it.